Hi everyone, welcome to this sentence devlog. You can see that I just created the new buyer system. When the player approaches this buyer, the money bag is spawned out. If you press E, you can see that you can buy some blueprints. The blueprints that are bought are highlighted with this green border. Blueprints you need to buy are highlighted with these blue borders. And then there are also the upgrades, so you can upgrade your tool, for example, the pickaxe or the axe, and this is highlighted with the red border. You can see that there is the price. So, for example, the shield costs 8 money. Now let's go and collect some iron. I go to craft 2 swords. I sell the swords to the seller, and now I have 20 money. I can go to the buyer and buy, for example, the shield blueprint and also a pickaxe upgrade. So the upgrade, the level of the pickaxe is now 2. So for every level, the pickaxe increases its speed by 5%. Now I go here and I can collect some iron. I can collect some wood, and you can see that I can craft now the shield because I bought the blueprint. To do this, I just added a new parameter to the sell items, that is the blueprint price. And I also had to create the upgrade tools script and associated it to my tools to have the possibility to upgrade and increase the speed of the tool. Thank you very much, and we will see in the next devlog. Bye.